Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Out here working on that RV brush grill again. So there you are, we're welded up. We're going to clean up and start fitting the center pipe thing. That'll be some job. We'll bring you back. Working on drilling the holes for the smaller bar here. We want to make sure we line them up with the headlights right. So we did it after we welded it up. So. There you go. Now we're going to start fitting these other pieces. What we can do is we can see, one, you got this rail that's going to go here. Just like that. That's going to be an easy one. And then we're going to put the other one up here. So this one goes here. Woo. But we'll have to put this here, figure out where it goes, mark this to cut it off right here. That's how we're going to do it. Just give us some time. So let's go clear out this slug. Okay, we'll weld our center pipe there, and we'll move our cardboard. That's good for that. Okay. Move our welder a little. It's down here. A minute. Move our cardboard so we can protect our vehicle. See, this one we don't need anymore. And we got to tack this. We got to tack it out there. Doesn't have to be super strong, but it's got to hold. Okay. Oh, it is not the best tack in the world. That'll hold. Now we got to get this one out here. Oh man, we're just not getting enough gas. Oh. Oh well, that'll hold it good enough. Here we are. I'm going to take it off so we can finish the welding. A lot of welding to do still. All the welds are nice and cold, though. So we got to get under here, pull these pins out. Oh, maybe. That's one. Yep. Have to wiggle this a little bit here. Oh, they're tight. Tight. Okay. Then I will get a hammer and tap them out. I do believe we're going to have to ream these holes a little. Now we should be able to pull on this. There we go. It ain't as heavy as I thought. Woo. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Next, we'll finish welding this. We got to make a rack to get it on and off easy, but we're going to take this thing off.